Dear brothers and sisters, Gospel of John chapter 15. The first part, we reflected that Jesus said, I am the vine and you are the branches. Abide in me, I will abide in you. And now Jesus says, how we could abide in him. What does it mean by abiding in Jesus? Or Jesus abiding within us? How is it possible? Jesus clearly said, if you keep my commandments, you will abide in me, in my love. So there is a relationship between keeping the commandments of Jesus and abiding in him. If you keep my commandments. Dear brothers and sisters, in that sense, we could consider or understand the commandments in this way. Commandments are like a fence which could protect us. We will not go out. No one will enter or attack us if these fences are there. So the commandments help us to be in the protection, in the love of God. We do not go away from that love. No one can enter and attack us if we are ready to keep the commandments, or we could say if we are ready to keep this fencing for us. And now, what is the commandment? Jesus said, this is my commandment, that you love one another as I have loved you. So, Jesus gave us only one commandment, that is to love. So, if you love, I will abide in you and you will be abiding in me. It's not necessary that you think about, reflect about all the 10 commandments and all. You just think about love. And Jesus said, to what extent no one has greater love than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. To that extent means your life becomes a sacrifice. You live for others. That means you are completely out of all the selfishness of life. You become someone for others as Jesus did. This is the way Jesus kept the commandment of the Father. Father, I am ready to give up my life for your children, my friends, my brethren. And Jesus did that. This is the way he kept the commandment. Then Jesus said, if you do this, your joy will be complete. Your joy will be complete. Dear brothers and sisters, our joy will be complete when we become someone who is completely for others, other-oriented life. So, abiding in Jesus, it doesn't mean the whole time you spent in prayer. We may have such a feeling. When I am in prayer for long hours, I feel that I am in Lord and the Lord is within me. Of course, prayer must help us to enter into such a relationship, abiding in the Lord, and the Lord abides within us. But this happens when I spend time with the Lord. I understand what is God's plan for me. And that plan is revealed now. God's plan for you is this: you love. Even to the extent of giving up your life for your brethren. So then, that's the way you bear fruit. When I abide in you and you abide in me, then you will bear a lot of fruits. That fruits will be manifested in our relationship with others. Let us pray for this grace. Grace to come out of our selfishness and give ourselves for the Lord and for our brethren, so that our joy will be complete within us.